The current job market is being replaced. Not slowly, not eventually, but now. And the professionals who understand what's happening, the ones who move first, they're quietly building something that doesn't depend on a salary, a company, or a boss that determines their financial ceiling. They're turning their careers into scalable assets, their expertise into income, and their knowledge into something that earns even when they're not working. Over the last 7 years, I've helped thousands of professionals make this exact transition. And in this video, I'm gonna walk you through exactly what's happening, why this moment matters, and the steps to take to capitalize on it. Comment business plan below and we'll send you the link to access the exact framework that you can use to build it for free. Okay, so let's start with what's actually happening right now. So I want you to understand the size of the opportunity in front of you at this very moment. The creator economy is no longer a side industry. It is the economy. The digital economy hit $4.9 trillion in 2025. That's 18% of the US GDP. There are 27 million creators in the US making money from content right now, and 1.5 million of those are doing it full time. But here's the part that most people miss in all of that. The fastest growing segment of that economy, it's not teenagers doing dances on TikTok. It's what some people are calling the knowledge creator, the professional, the operator, the executive, the expert who's actually been inside their industry. People with real knowledge, credibility, and proof. And the reason that matters is bigger than it actually might seem. Because for years, content creation required massive audiences. You had to wait to go viral in order to win, and your follower count was everything. That was what we call the attention economy. And it favored the loudest, the flashiest, the most entertaining. But we're now watching a shift happen underneath all of that. Algorithms are now built around interests and niches, not just follower counts, which means that a veterinarian with 3,000 subscribers can consistently outperform and out-earn a lifestyle creator with 300,000 because her audience is specific, her content is relevant, and the people watching are deeply invested in what she's sharing. So one of our clients, Dr. Mark, is a perfect example of this. He is a fertility expert, and he was working 6 days a week in his brick and mortar clinic. Smart, deeply experienced, genuinely changing lives, but he was capped. He could only see so many patients and only reach so many people, and the hours were taking their toll on him. So when he built his expertise into a focused online program, helping couples conceive naturally and find the root issues, preventing them from having children, everything shifted. He generated over $892,000 through his online program, and he went from working 6 days a week to seeing one-on-one clients just 2 days a week. And the people that he's now able to help, it's women all over the world. It's not limited to his physical location. And they've been able to find him outside of that traditional clinic. So that's not an influencer story. That is an expertise story. And this is the key lesson. You don't need a massive audience. You need a specific one. And that brings me to maybe a harsh truth and really why your job is the worst way to monetize your knowledge. Which again, if you recognize yourself in that, I want you to know it's not your fault. The traditional job was never designed to reward your full value at all. It was designed to compensate just enough for you to stay. If you think about it, every year you've been inside your career, you've been developing something really, really valuable, hard-won expertise, the kind of knowledge that can't be just Googled and implemented, the kind of clarity that comes from years inside of the work. You make your mistakes, you have these battle wounds and scars from doing it the wrong way and then figuring out the right way and solving the problems and surviving all the hard parts. And almost all of that value has been going directly to your employer. You have been the asset. They've had the equity. So here's the reframe that I just want to offer to you to consider. Your job has given you the knowledge. It is time to own it. The professionals who make this shift aren't starting from zero. They're starting from 20 years. They have more credibility, more proof, and more real world results than any beginner could manufacture, as much as they try. They just haven't had a structure for turning it into income that doesn't require them to show up and be there and trade their time constantly. So Mike Bausch is one of the best examples I've seen of this. I love his story. So Mike owns 12 restaurants, including one of America's top 10 pizzerias. He has 2 best-selling books, and he's literally Tulsa's Restaurateur of the Year. So by every measure, this is a man with extraordinary experience and expertise. But before he came to us, he had created a $99 coaching program for restaurateurs. And guess what? Crickets. No one was buying it. Despite the books, despite the accolades, despite the decades of hard-won knowledge, it didn't matter. Mike tried to fix it the way that most people do, by adding more stuff. So he paid startup firms, marketing consultants, brand builders, but nothing was working. So because the problem wasn't the tools, the problem was ultimately that he hadn't learned how to translate all of this expertise that he had built over the years into something transformative. And there's a phrase that we use a lot. Information tells you what, experience teaches you how. And what Mike eventually discovered, and what changed everything, was that people don't pay for information. They pay for outcomes. They pay to get from their zero state, where they are right now, to their hero state, where they want to be. And when Mike figured out how to package his experience around that, not just dumping everything he knew into a program or an ebook, but creating a specific transformation, he generated $97,000 from his first course launch in 30 days. And his online education business has now gone on to generate just shy of $3 million in his first couple of years. So taking 20 years of experience and expertise, but packaging it the right way made all the difference. So it wasn't his experience or expertise that was wrong or broken. It was the way that it was actually modeled, right? And I see that all the time. So the window right now is open for experienced professionals, experts, but it's not going to stay open forever. So the people who move first right now have that real first mover advantage. So here's why timing matters. Online education is projected to grow past $300 billion in 2026. But more importantly, the market is becoming way more discerning. The audiences who have been burned by big flashy promises and recycled information are getting a lot more selective. They don't want more content. They want real guidance from people who have actually done the work. That is the shift that we're seeing. The market has moved from rewarding information to rewarding transformation, from rewarding attention to rewarding credibility. I like to say that boring is the new viral. So a video that helps 500 of the exact right people is worth more in business impact terms than a video that entertains 50,000 people who are never going to spend a dime or buy anything. So here's the tension that holds most people back. They look at people who have built big audiences and they think, well, I'd have to start from the beginning. I don't have that kind of time, and I don't want to be an influencer. I don't want to be on social media. And that thinking is really backwards. You are not trying to become an influencer. You already are an authority. You're just amplifying it. So let's get really practical here, because I don't want you to walk away from this video inspired and excited, but directionless, because that's not going to do anyone any favors. So the path from professional to profitable knowledge creator is not random. There is a repeatable process. Like I said, we've been doing this for close to a decade. So not everyone who has knowledge has business. Those are two different things, but there is a very fast way to find out which category you're actually in. And it comes down to three very honest questions. Number one, have you actually mastered this? Or have you just studied it? So this is where most people get this totally wrong. There is a critical difference between regurgitating someone else's framework and actually teaching from lived experience. You cannot teach what you haven't tested. You cannot guide someone through a roadblock that you've never been through yourself. So here's a really simple checklist for mastery. You've applied this in the real world. You've helped someone else get a result with it, and you could walk someone through it right now from memory without needing to look anything up. When you build a knowledge business on someone else's experience, you're building on a broken foundation. It might look solid for a second, but it's not going to hold. And when it's built on yours, that's where the differentiation lives. That's where it can stand the test of time, because no one can replicate your specific experience, your specific failures and lessons and path to the result. So question number 2 is, who is stuck exactly where you started and would pay to shortcut the path? So the gap between where you are and where your ideal client is, that is not a liability, that is the business. People don't buy programs for the content. They buy them for efficiency in getting to the result. People don't have time, right? They buy them because they've tried to figure it out alone and they can't move through the wall. And they need someone who's already been on the other side of that wall to show them through. So think about the people you've already helped, maybe even informally, the colleague who finally understood something because of how you explained it, or the person who got unstuck after having one conversation with you, or the client who had a total breakthrough moment, even though you might not even recognize that you caused it, right? So that is already a business. It's just unmonetized. And this is the language that I like to use when I'm helping somebody get really clear on this. Who is at a zero right now, where maybe you once were or people you've helped once were? And what is the hero state? So the outcome that they would pay to reach faster without the guesswork. The zero to hero journey is the offer. It is the program. Your job is just to define both ends of that super clearly so you can bridge the gap with your program. And that brings me to question number 3. Can you deliver one clear, reliable outcome? Not a comprehensive education, one outcome. The narrower the transformation and the outcome, the higher the value, period. The most common mistake that I see people make is trying to teach everything they know. Your client doesn't need everything you know. They need the specific thing that gets them to that next level and that outcome. So this is the foundation of what we call the profitable offer prototype. It is a model of your program built around one core transformation, validated before it's ever fully built. If you answered yes to all 3 of those questions, you already have the raw material for a business. So what comes next is just how you package it and how you create the model. So if you have spent years building real expertise and you're still trading time for money, I hope that this is your sign. The shift is real. We can't avoid it. The market is ready, and the tools to build this have never been more accessible. So comment business plan below or click the link in the description. You can access the link to get our free Knowledge Bank business plan to use the exact framework to put this into action for yourself, to help you go from expertise to compound income. So the people who are winning right now and are going to continue to win are not the loudest and they are not the flashiest. We are moving past that stage. They're the most credible and you're already there. So now it's just time to build. If you want to see exactly how this works and comes together in practice, be sure to check out this video next on the smartest way to turn your expertise into $1 million business, where we really break down the actual details of how to implement this. So check that out. Be sure to let me know what your light bulbs were in the comment section below. That is a love language around here. And we'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.